Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Olivia, and today I'm going to be doing a clean with me, but today's clean with me is a little different because I'm not just focusing on those everyday tasks that I do, but I'm focusing on places that I specifically avoid cleaning or despise cleaning, like the toilet or the shower. So I'm just focusing on those areas today along with my usual daily tasks. So I hope you guys gain some cleaning motivation from this video, and then also the motivation to clean those places that we despise cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. So whenever I come home from work, I love to just tidy up the place, and the kitchen is someplace that always gets messy. I do come home for lunch because I work really close to home, and we do have a 1-year-old puppy, so it's been great because I've been able to stop by during the day and check on her. And Nathan's also studying for his master's degree, so he's working part-time, and just needless to say, we're in and out of the house more than probably the average working people are. So our kitchen is used a lot. So I just like to tidy stuff up, and then I like to make a list of things that I want to accomplish for that day. Since it's just an after work clean with me, it's not so much stuff, but like I said, I'm also going to focus on a few of those places that I despise cleaning. So I do think of myself as a fairly organized and clean person, and some cleaning things are therapeutic for me, but there are some places that I hate cleaning, just like anybody. So I'm focusing on a couple of those areas, not everything, but just something that's more manageable and to actually get those places clean. So one of the first areas that I'm focusing on is this dish rack area. It's not an area that I despise cleaning or anything like that, but it's an area that I tend to forget about just because there's the dish rack on top and you think you're putting clean dishes on it, but a lot of soap residue actually builds up on here, so I'm just focusing on scrubbing that off. I did it somewhat recently, so it wasn't too bad, but it's something that I definitely need to incorporate more in my routine. And then also, as I mentioned in my other clean with me, I tend to use washcloths in the kitchen and stuff to wipe up messes, but when I do some deep cleaning like that, I tend to put that one, the used one, aside to be washed and then do a fresh one. So in case you're wondering about it being dirty or anything like that, that's what I do. However, the toilet is something that I despise doing. So not necessarily the inside of the toilet. I do scrub that fairly regularly and wipe it down and everything like that. And the guest room toilet, I constantly clean that. But just the sides and the bottom of the toilet is just something that's not at eye level, so I tend to forget about it, and it's just gotten so dusty. So I knew I really had to focus on this today and made it my mission to clean the toilet. Another area that's definitely not my favorite place to clean is the shower. Just so much soap residue gets on the glass walls, and I have not found something that just works really, really well that's not super harsh. So I am using the Method bathroom cleaner, which I do like, and I do like the smell, but it doesn't get the soap residue off of the glass as well as I would like. I have tried the daily shower spray as well from Method, and it just doesn't get the job done to my liking. So if you guys have any shower products, definitely let me know. I've tried bleach products in the past, and those are just way too strong. It honestly hurts my lungs cleaning it, and if that's the case, I know I shouldn't be using it in my household. So if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. I do clean my vanity fairly often, but I do have to admit I really do not enjoy cleaning it because just the shape of the vanity, it's just such a weird shape and it gets so dusty. I don't know if it's just my bathroom or that it's a small space under a window, but it gets so dusty. And so I normally typically wipe down the vanity sink area, but this tray has collected a lot of dust, so I made sure to actually spend some time to clean that as well, which it looks so much better. So the bathroom's all clean and nice, and it just makes me feel so much better. So I mentioned in my last video, which is my Saturday morning clean with me routine, that we tend to do a couple loads of laundry during the week. So I'm just putting away some clothes that I just washed yesterday, and I either put away both Nathan and my clothes, but I just have my clothes here because Nathan put away his clothes and then he separates my clothes into different categories. Because I like to put things away in certain places, he knows what categories things should be in, like workout clothes, clothes to be hung up, that kind of stuff, but he doesn't necessarily know how I like things put away. So I appreciate him sorting it into piles, and it does make the process a lot quicker and a lot easier. Another area that tends to get forgotten a lot is the nightstands and just dusting in general. I clean the surfaces in the kitchen all the time, but just the nightstands and like a few other surfaces in the house, they just don't get as much dusting as they should. So I just finished off that and then vacuumed my room. So that's it for today's Clean With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed and gained some inspiration. And if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day.